Good morning, everyone. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Today, I am back with you guys with some exciting news. As you guys know, I have been looking for a software developer position for a while now. And on my last video, I told you guys that one of the reasons I was gone was actually to prepare for an interview. So today, I'm excited to announce that I have been accepted into the Microsoft LEAP program. So what the LEAP program is, you guys, is it's a 16-week apprenticeship for developers that has non-traditional backgrounds. So that's like anyone who's self-taught, community college graduates, or bootcamp graduates. So you guys, I am so happy for this opportunity. I'm super excited to finally have some real industry experience. I do have a while before my start date because we're all going to be starting together. So while I wait on my start date, I'm going to continue to upload videos for you guys of my coding challenges and working on my website. One of the things I also want to become more familiar with is sorting algorithms as well. So that is some good news for this month of November. Let me know if any of you guys have any great news to share as well. I hope everyone have a great day, and I'll see you guys on the flip side. Bye bye.